Hi, Danielle the Clay Lady here on the Clay Ladies campus in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm at Mid-South Ceramic Supply down the campus, and look at these great ornaments. We have angel, we have snowman. Would you like to be able to make these at home? We have a holiday make-at-home kit. It has everything that you need to make these projects at home. All the instructions, it has clay paints. Not only do we have picture instructions and word instructions, but see that little QR code? You can take a picture of that with your camera. It takes you straight to a video where I'm teaching you how to make that project. Everything you need is included in your kit. It's only $40, and there's even a coupon in there where after you make it, you can bring it to the campus, or if you know someone who has a kiln, there's instructions on how to fire your projects so they will last forever. Now we only have about a week before we close for the holidays, so if you're interested in getting a clay at home kit, hurry now. You can order them online at midsouthceramics.com or come visit us on the Clay Ladies campus and pick up your clay at home kit today.